Hey guys, it's Lilypad Polish, and today I will be showing you how to recreate these Louis Vuitton inspired nails. Now, I've seen a lot of people do the nail all black and then the red on the bottom of the nail if your nails are long enough, but those seem extremely messy to me, so I came up with this design. And I actually wouldn't even call this a design because it is that easy. But if you want to know how to recreate this, then let's get started. So starting off, I'm using my yellow stopper as a base coat. I like to use this as a peel off base coat and it works wonders. I love it. And I'm going to then paint my nails with a black polish. I'm painting all of my nails except for my ring finger black. This particular black is a Rimmel polish that I can't remember the name of, but I really didn't like how it was applying, so I actually did a second coat off camera using Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear Nail Polish in Blackout. And as you can tell, it's super streaky and it was actually really thick, so I do not recommend the Rimmel black polish. But I'm just applying that on all of my nails, making sure to cap the edges. And for the ring finger, I'm going to be using OPI's Big Apple Red. And I believe I did 2 coats of this, I'm not sure, but I really love this polish. It's super red. It's probably the most red polish that I have. And I'm very particular about reds for some reason, so I really like this one. Next, I'll be applying a fast drying top coat on all of my nails just to make sure that my polish is extremely dry because we will be applying some tape over it and we want to make sure that the polish doesn't peel up. So I'm going to be using some striping tape, and you don't have to, you can actually just use a piece of Scotch tape, but I find that striping tape isn't as sticky, therefore there's a less of a chance that my polish will peel up. So on the black fingernails, which should be all of them except for the ring finger, I'm going to be applying that same Big Apple Red by OPI. And obviously there's a black base, so it took quite a few coats. I wish I had been more patient with applying the coats, but I kind of just did it all at once. And then for the ring finger, I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Blackout on the tip. And so it's just kind of opposite like the Louis Vuitton heel. And then I'm using some tweezers to peel off the striping tape. And as you can see on the black nails, it's really thick because I was very impatient. I suggest that you apply polishes and then let them dry in between, not like I did, but the black came out pretty well. And finally, I'm applying a fast drying top coat. I'm using the same one as before and it will be linked down below, as well as everything else that I used in this video. And I'm using a larger bead of top coat just because black tends to smudge very easily. And making sure to cap the edges for a longer lasting manicure. And that's it for this tutorial, guys. I know that it was fairly easy. I would rank this as a beginner's manicure, but I hope that it was still helpful and that you enjoyed. And if you did, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed. And leave a comment down below letting me know what you would like to see from me next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!